So now we have moved on to the more exciting part, and I say that with complete sarcasm, because this is the part where we talk about my stuff, and that is tax deadlines. Terp CPA here again, and we're going to talk about the upcoming tax deadlines and important deadlines that are coming up. And those of you that have businesses, both as a 1099 and you're doing Schedule C businesses, you don't have a company set up or anything like that, but you still pay estimated payments on your personal return, those are due on 9/15 coming up, as well as your estimated quarterly payments for your business return as well. So make sure that you're paying those on time to make sure that you're avoiding any penalties or interest. As well as 9/15 is also, this is everyone's least favorite in my opinion, is the extended tax deadline for pass-through entities. So that's going to be your partnerships and your S-Corp returns, or the returns where you have income flowing into a company and that income then gets passed on to the individuals onto their personal return. Those returns are due on 9/15, and the reason the IRS kind of changed around the deadlines, it actually used to be a little bit later, is they want to make sure that these returns are done in time for the upcoming next deadline, which is the next deadline I want to talk about, which is 10/15. 10/15 is the deadline for both C corporations as well as personal returns. So if you filed an extension for both your pass-through or your C corp or your personal, if you filed those extensions, you have until 10/15 for personal and C corp, and then for pass-through entities such as partnerships and S-corps, you have until 9/15. You have up until that time to get your stuff paid in and make sure that you are in compliance. Another thing for on the Michigan side as well as on the federal side is we have estimated payments for your payroll and sales tax. So your payroll and sales tax on the Michigan side is going to be due on 9/20, regardless of if you're monthly or quarterly. So if you pay sales and payroll tax monthly or quarterly, your upcoming deadline is 9/20. September 20th is going to be your upcoming next deadline for the third quarter. And then if you're filing annually, well, you're in luck. You don't have to file until February 28th of next year. So you're off the hook there. So now that we've got the tax deadlines and sometimes people consider it the more boring stuff, but to me it's exciting.